Hello everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new here, my name is Ganna and welcome back, you bananas. Is that what I'm calling you now? Can I call you guys bananas? Is that appropriate? It's fine. Anyway, today I wanted to share with you a challenge that was started on Instagram, and it's the Toon Me challenge, where you take a self-portrait and turn half of it into a cartoon style of yourself. Yep, that's the thing. I already posted this picture on Twitter, Facebook, also Instagram, but I'm going to share with you the process today because why not? The hardest part of doing this challenge was taking a selfie that I was happy with. I was fairly happy with this one. I took several of them. I didn't really, taking pictures of yourself, it's very intimidating. So once I did that, I have to figure out where I want the line that's going to cross between me and the animated picture, which was also tough. And then to top all that off, you're supposed to do it in your style. But recently I've been doing some art exploration and trying new things and building some new skills. So I tried to incorporate that into the piece, and it's still my style, but it also kind of flows better with the portrait, in my opinion. Looks better to me. Yeah, this was so much fun to do, and I've been in kind of like a art slump with my own personal work recently, so doing this kind of inspired me, and I've been having a lot of fun drawing faces recently. I do have something that I want to share with all of you. I started a Fivver page and I'm working on a project. I will leave a link to the Fivver page down below, and I'll also post it on social media so you can check it out there. But I want you guys to tell me what you would like me to draw. And I'm only going to charge $5. Whatever you want. Let's try to keep it PG-13, no X-rated. It's not this kind of channel. I've said that before. So all of the requests that I get from Fivver, I'm going to condense them down into a video, and then if you would like, I will shout out your channel. Just make sure you tell me what your channel is, if you're gonna order something, because I don't know. I don't know all of you. And you can share it out with your friends, and I'll just make this big a horrible art mess of things. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. Positive thinking here. And I've been having a lot of fun getting back into doing live streams in the mornings, and I want to continue doing that. It's kind of waking me up and making me draw stuff when I really don't want to do much of anything. So yeah, recently, art, inspiration, all of those fun things. Woo! I'm not just an art channel though. I want to get back into doing some parodies really soon. And I've been sketching stuff out. Not sketching. Drafting? Is that what you do when you write? Drafting scripts that I want to use for a parody video or 2 or 3. And I'm really excited to share those with everybody. Hopefully soon. If I can get my crap together, get all the crap together, put it in my bag, take it with me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming by and checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something, or it at least entertained you for a whole 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I make really short videos. I need to make longer videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media, all the fun places, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, if you're adventurous. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. You guys are always hot on the comments, and it's hard to keep up sometimes. If you're enjoying the content so far, please give this video a like, and if you're new here and you want to see more from this channel, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, it's great. It's awesome. We have fun here. Woo, bananas. As always, safe travels, good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!